Welcome back, students. So in this video we will see how MATLAB can be used to solve the linear equations of any system by using the matrices. Okay, so let us have a system of equations composed of two equations. The first equation is 6x plus 2y equal to 7, while the second one is 3x plus 7y equal to 10. We have seen last time that a system of only one variable can be very easily solved by using the MATLAB here. So suppose if I have the equations which are of two variables, and in order to solve them, what I have to do first, I have to convert this system of equation into matrices. So converting them into matrices, what I will get 6, 2, 3, 7, and in the form of the matrices here. So that is the matrix of size 2 by 2. Similarly, x and y will be in the column matrix, and at the right side of it I will have 7 and 10 as the column matrix as well. So what I have to do, I have to solve them, and in order to solve them, the fat matrix or the 2 by 2 matrix will be called the matrix A, while the x, y variables will be stored into the matrix or the vector x, while 7, 10 is the vector of the size 2 cross 1. 2 are the rows here, while 1 is the column here. Okay, so in order to find the x, what I have to do, I have to use this equation, which is now this one, x equal to y multiplied by inverse of a. Okay, so in order to do it, let me go towards the MATLAB and let me solve it, which is now 6, 2, 3, 7. Okay, so now let me go to the MATLAB here. So again I have the matrix 6, 2, and the other entity here 6, 2, 3, 7. So that is the matrix. And similarly, what is y composed of? So y is basically 7, 4, I think 7, 10. So y is basically the column matrix, and that is 7, 10. Okay, so it is now this one. So in order to find the value of x, what I have to do, I have to find the inverse of a, and then I will multiply it with y. So writing it, I will get these values, and that is the solution of my system of linear equations. So that two equations are now solved, where the value of x is this 1.80, while the value of y is this one. Okay, so in this manner we can solve any system of equations by using the MATLAB, and that is a very handy and useful application of the MATLAB. Similarly, what if we have more than two equations with us? So suppose here we have this system of equations in which we have three variables now, x, y, z, while the system here consists of three equations. So now in order to solve it, let me first convert them into the matrices. So the first fat matrix is this one here. This is the first fat matrix, while this one is the column matrix of all the required variables, while this one at the right hand side is are the terms which are available in my equation. So I have first of all, okay, so I have first of all write them like this, in a similar manner. So writing them here again, that is now 5 minus 8, 9, 5 minus 8, 9 in the first row. Similarly, in the second row, what I have 2, 7 minus 8, 2, 7 minus 8. In third row, I have 10, 2, 2. 10, 2, 2. So that is my matrix A. Now in matrix or the column matrix y, how many values I have? I have 3 values, and what are those values? Those are minus 10, 9, 7. Minus 10, 9, and then 7. Okay, sorry, as this one is basically the column matrix, so I have to put this semicolon here. So that is like this one. So in order to find the value of x, again here what I will do, I will first find the inverse of a, and then I will multiply it with y, and I will get the answer. And these are basically the 3 values, which are the values of x, y, and z. And after putting those values in the equations which I had earlier on, I will see that these values will satisfy those equations. So by using this similar method, you will solve any system of equations which will contain any number of variables, whatever. So thank you so much, and I will see you with some more examples and practical scenarios in our upcoming videos.